Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever switched Gmail accounts and worried about losing years of emails, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you the complete step-by-step guide on how to transfer all of your emails from one Gmail account to another in 2025. We'll cover both moving your old emails and making sure all new ones automatically land in your new inbox. Stick with me until the end because I'll share a few key tips that people often miss. Step 1. Importing existing emails. First, let's move your old emails over. Log into the Gmail account where you want everything transferred. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Under Import Mail and Contacts, click the link to begin. Sign into your old Gmail account when prompted. Google will ask you to authenticate and confirm what you want to import. For best results, select Import Mail Only and then click Start Import. This process can take a while depending on how many emails you have, but don't worry. Gmail runs it in the background. You'll see your old emails appearing under a new label with your old account's name. Step 2, setting up forwarding for new emails. Now let's make sure you don't miss future emails. Log into your old Gmail account. Again, click the gear icon, then See All Settings. Head to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Click Add a Forwarding Address and enter your new Gmail address. Gmail will send a confirmation email to your new inbox. Open it and click the confirmation link. Once confirmed, every new email sent to your old account will automatically forward to your new one. The import process may take hours or even days for large mailboxes, so be patient. Make sure you confirm the forwarding request from your new account or the setup won't work. After this, all your old emails plus every future one will be neatly organized in your new Gmail inbox. And that's it. You've successfully transferred all your Gmail emails to a new account in just 2 steps. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and check the description for other useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.